So go school, na so obi discourage you. Enfino, call me and I'll encourage you. Okonas will be discourage you. Don't mind anyone, just call me and I'll encourage you. Precious one, you are welcome back on GH Health. If you are new on this channel, I'm Derek Ofimabaso, a registered general nurse. And on this channel, we talk mostly about nursing topics. So if you want to join this family, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribe. And we will try as much as possible to reply all your comments personally on this video. Today, I'm going to share with you a piece of advice for first year students. Congratulations to all 2021 nursing applicants who gained admission. If you did not gain admission, worry not. Worry not. Most of you who gain admission will be going to school this January. And I'm going to share with you a piece of advice that will help you to be successful as a first year nursing student. I have already done a video on how to excel as a nursing student. So you can go and watch that video. I have been away for quite a long time, but I'm back. I'm back. Sisi ade maba. Mo amoko school within this January. E make a cham say, mo kwa mo sua ade mame. Go and learn hard for me. If you go to school, kindly associate yourself with good students. I mean, seniors who are good and your classmates who are good. Associate yourself with them. You know, when you start from first year as a nursing student, what you have to do is that you have to achieve a very good GPA. If you achieve a very good GPA, it will help you to move forward. Let me share with you a little story about myself. When I went to first year, I struggled hard to have a very good GPA. That's 3.72. First year, 3.72. GPA is up to 4.0. I had 3.72. That's first class. So my own GPA motivated me to excel. When you have very good GPA, one percent GPA no beba form. You struggle to maintain it or to add some to it. You struggle to maintain it or to add some to it. But oko na se first semester na konya reset, ye ka se reseta. So wa tire exams no fail. Oko abesa ba betire. One pass ya betire sa kopem se obe pass. One pass sa exams na, we do third year, you will not be registered. And me call school me ko bebre, both my seniors and my classmates. Obu ha first year na bens wonya reset be miensa. So wonya reset miensa na e frustrate you. Mama kwan aba no a wona mfo sua de na wo sua ade a mo sua dada na sa akwa akotwere ho exams. And ade ba kon se obi wo ha wonya reset first year. E be di na chi sa bens second year wasanya reset. Third year bens wasanya reset. Now frustrating the in life. And the make actually say, put in much effort. Na your good GPA. Your good GPA. Found good students. Now monchita courses which you seems they are complex or complicated. You don't have to cry about it. Go and see other seniors or your classmates who are good in that subject or in that course. They can help you out. During our time, anatomy seems difficult to most of the ladies, but because they approached some of the guys who were good, they were able to excel. And they make catch on say, "Oko first year na me woni na good GPA. Wonya good GPA ebe boa mo wi. Wonya good GPA. Yetimi eyiwodi. School bit said dunkwa NMC. I think 2 years ago, omu yinipa mako 80 edi. Omu yinipa 80 edi. Because omu nuru GPA na also munya no. During our time in Dunkwa, na ye GPA near 2.5. Unya below 2.5 ye UAD. But sesia ni ateso matese mate say ya teso se see about 1.5 there minim so bia bayere ne ho and they see most of the schools no mo GPA near 1.5 a few and no mo GPA 2.0 obi en ho asese ne de ebro 2.0 a few but most of the schools no their GPA is 1.5 if you get 1.5 you are good to go but if you get below 1.5 the school will either repeat you or dismiss you. Enti mo kono mo kwayire mo hunsua de na munya good GPA. Unya good GPA a bow buildo. Mo ko school I'll try to do a video. Me per board I'll try to do a video. Na ma kire how to calculate your GPA. Ena minya board nso a me sha ase a kire ade. Na bia mo hunu say den no me sha ase aje videos about it. Enti mo kono ene me bu ho a I was say oye ni yie wa brabom time management or so time management no oye ni yie said e be ya e be boa mo osua de e ka se ye call class time we say ya e was so call class you have to go to class and find so one dream say we good into be kind pamphlet tutors na de be ma no into unko class okwa class most of the tutors no omo say o ma class they will devise a certain strategy bit say obechre ade no but obechre ade bia any pamphlet no de amount mo into one class obemese so you have to go to class since I'm a call nursing school man to class more than 5 times a 5 a few times and a man call class into mokoi you have to go to class every day and also as a first year student nurse you don't have to involve yourself in pool parties and all those things. Because most of the schools no more pool party. Saturday be a more money. Into your first year student, forget the sanya money in a good GPA. When you good GPA and no one worry. When you good GPA, one nama. When it jet, but with GPA no, it will lower. Young fan say, okay, first year and no GPA 1.5. When your GPA 1.5 first semester, likely say and a bet drop it the next semester because GPA na benyan first semester no and one bet building on it. Into konya 1.5 GPA first semester first year na a bet drop it. So one year lucky a bet drop it. Into kwa first semester na ye hard na good GPA. Solve past questions. Teachers no among new questions for be on the back. Intimate says solve past questions. Past question bia on sabi so bia solve bi. Na me assure say obey sell. And I want them. I was say a clear and say okwa you have to involve God. Oko school you have to involve God. And for sorry Niagara, you don't have to play with church service. And for sorry some Niagara, you have to involve God in everything. Subjects I want to ask you fashion yamensa. Just a dear Pia who say they were nursing school be a fashion yamensa. Then you may be wow ama wasele. I have already told you how I handled most of my situations, most of my academic situation in the hands of God. And God never disgraced me. So you have to put God first when you go. You have to put God first. Yes. Church service bia kobi. Most of the nursing schools no Sunday bia sorry. Either so be any denominational and answer ye na ye be kwa kushia. Pensa for beko, gamsu for beko, most of the obia beko ni nti se tam ne so a pastor na ko so nkwa so ya pastor na ko na odo ho to nyame so a nyame nwu ni mo ase e na okwa most of the seniors no mom pa disua no ombeka se nurse in the ending ombema we am ahyehyw se woko school na so obi discourage you a emfino frame na me encourage you. Frame na me encourage you. Call me and I'll encourage you. Okonas will be discourage you. Don't mind anyone. Just call me and I'll encourage you. I remember me call nursing school first year. Senior back say, hey, school had your head dinyo and can nursing school dear. Ye j transfer, make j transfer co school for had your head den do. I just say as first year student, I'm a banana say, I bomb home. But me say your senior from my catch them say, said ye will be a passy, says school member be successfulness no. Men's me passing. And no cray, me pass ye. Enti mo be Emma yam show because what can to your school fees are not done. Because minim some a bimokura could to your protocol. Ubu hani protocol and then admission fee in name or to getting to 10,000 Ghana cedis. And walk on a more beer some or becca muabum. A more beer some or becca a muabum. O kono meoni say o ko no pass it out successfully. Then be a member be video encourage mo. Member be video encourage mo. Till the time be no pass about a be successful nurses. Walk on so. For respect my tutors. For respect my tutors. Obu ha omuadi ofi into kwa. Omu tutors no. GPA ye kan. Tutors no man mark. O man mark mo subject no. Into ko that's why mu tutor. Be mark o down. O kono mu tutor bu ho mark ya. Ono ntiri mo den. Be mark o down. Into some we are very careful for respect and my tutors. For respect my tutors. Nah, be successful. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.